According to the National Electrical Code, Article 300.15b, raceways shall not be installed in or enclose expansion joints. The Uniform Building Code, specifically Section 303.11 from the 1997 edition, also states that expansion joints shall not be used as a raceway for electrical conductors or piping. Furthermore, the NFPA 70 National Electrical Code Handbook addresses this issue. Article 300.15 states that expansion joints are not designed to accommodate electrical raceways or cables. UL 2043 Fire-resistive penetration fire-stop systems in Section 3.57 clarifies that expansion joints are not considered a suitable location for fire-stop systems. The American Society of Civil Engineers states that expansion joints are designed to accommodate movement and should not be used as a chase for conduits or other services. Based on these codes and standards, the existing installation of conduits through the expansion joint is not code compliant, in accordance with NEC Article 300.15b and UBC Section 303.11. Expansion joints are not designed to accommodate electrical raceways, and such installations can compromise the fire resistance rating of the building. Therefore, the conduit should be relocated and installed in accordance with code requirements, typically through new cores in the existing concrete slab. This situation highlights the importance of understanding and adhering to relevant codes and standards during electrical installations to ensure safety and compliance. Firstly, always consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and local building codes before commencing any electrical work. Secondly, pay close attention to manufacturers' instructions and specifications for fire-stopping materials and systems. Thirdly, when encountering expansion joints, electrical conduits and raceways must not be installed within them. Instead, explore alternative routing methods, such as coring through concrete slabs to maintain code compliance and structural integrity. Fourthly, ensure all electrical work is performed by qualified and licensed electricians. Fifthly, conduct thorough inspections to verify code compliance and identify potential hazards.